Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the battery health on Lenovo V15. So the most user-friendly way to check your battery health is installing the Lenovo Vantage application, which is the official software from Lenovo developers. It's available in Microsoft Store, so to download it, open the Microsoft Store and search for Lenovo Vantage. Then here click Get to download this application, and once it's downloaded, click Open. Now, to check your battery health status, you have to expand this navigation menu and go to Device Settings. Now open the power settings and wait for your battery health information to be loaded. Now here you can check your basic info of your battery health. So you can see the current charge level, you can see the full charge capacity and the original design capacity. As you can see, the full charge capacity is somehow bigger than the original one, and the current charge is also bigger than the original one, which sounds counterintuitive, but it's probably because either the battery in this PC was replaced, or because the original design capacity value was written here manually and is not equal to the actual original design capacity, which is slightly bigger than that. You can also learn more by tapping the three-dot icon here and opening your web browser, just for the information, for overall information. If what I explained wasn't clear, you can also check for new batteries if your battery needs a replacement right here on the official Lenovo website. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.